If the apps in your iPhone are not working and stuck on the page, then you can follow the following steps. First of all, make sure they're not updating. For this, open App Store, click on the top right corner, scroll down, and you can see all the updated recently apps, or if they are updating. If they're updating, then let them update, and after that you can open the apps. If this does not solve your problem, then go to settings, scroll down and go to general. From here, go to software update, and if you have your beta auto updates turned on, then turn this. If you have a newer generation iPhone, then quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you have an older generation iPhone, like for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the sleep wake button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Also, make sure the apps you're using are not tweaked and are corrected by the developer of the apps.
Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.